Amazon Prime Day 2023 has arrived, and here are 11 deals to take advantage of to help you on your fitness journey. And I'll have links to each of these products in my description. Number 1. FITINDEX Scale. A scale is helpful to have to measure your progress, and this particular scale is the one I use. It's really helpful because it not only measures your body weight, but also your muscle mass, body fat, and more. And it gives you all this information through a helpful app. So if you don't have a smart scale already, this is a really good deal. Number 2. Fitbit Charge 5. Fitbits are really helpful for keeping track of your daily activity, and the Charge 5 is one of the best models since it has a display and doesn't look too bulky. If you haven't had a fitness tracker before, the Fitbit is really helpful when it comes to orienting you to how many steps you've taken, calories you've burned, and even insights when it comes to your sleep. Number 3. Hydroflask Bottle. Staying hydrated is really important when it comes to your health, so having a refillable bottle on hand is essential. Hydroflasks are really high quality water bottles in that they're durable, keeps your water cool, and have customizable mouthpieces you can purchase based on your preference. Number 4. Air fryer. Air fryers are a game changer when it comes to changing your eating habits to something healthier. If you're new to cooking, an air fryer makes it really easy because all you have to do is place the food in the bin, set a time and temperature, and it'll take care of the rest. Also, it makes eating foods like vegetables more fun because you can get creative and make things like kale or sweet potato chips. Number 5. Dumbbells. Dumbbells are a staple of strength building, so having them available at home when you can't go to the gym is great. You can perform a full body workout with a pair and change the intensity by using different weight levels. Number 6. TRX. The TRX is a suspension trainer, which means that it uses your body weight and an anchor point to create resistance and help you build strength. This strap is a really fun way to exercise beyond traditional dumbbells. And it's also very portable and lightweight, so you can take it with you when you're traveling. Number 7. Vitamix. Vitamix is a high quality blender brand, and having a blender opens the door to preparing healthy smoothies full of vegetables, fruits, and protein powders. So if you have trouble getting any of those into your diet, blending them will certainly help. Number 8. Tfal Pots and Pans. If you're completely new to cooking and have a stovetop at home, but no pots or pans, these Tfal combos will be a really great buy, so you have everything you need to start cooking. Number 9. FullStar Mandolin Slicer and Spiralizer. Another way to save time on food prep and make healthy food more exciting is using this versatile slicer, mandolin, and spiralizer to prepare your vegetables and fruits in a variety of ways. This eliminates any of the hassle of chopping or cutting things with a knife and is super helpful since it has a plastic container to store the food. Number 10. Food scale. Using a food scale will help you measure more accurately and help you better control your nutrient intake. So a food scale is a really great investment. Number 11. Meal prep containers. Meal prep containers will help you store your planned meals and help you better adhere to your diet. So if you don't have containers already, these Rubbermaid ones will help store a variety of foods in different capacities. So those are the 11 recommendations I have for you on Prime Day. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Happy shopping!